let's talk about mud volcanoes. Now, mud volcanoes aren't really true volcanoes. They don't produce lava, and the temperatures are much cooler than actual volcanoes, but the process is somewhat similar, and it's just a cool name. Mud volcanoes are found in very similar areas to actual volcanoes around subduction zones largely. They can be found on land, in shallow water, and occasionally in deep water as well. Now, most of the content of the mud volcano soup is water that mixes with various minerals and dirt and just kind of junk that bubbles up to the Earth's surface to form this mud. The soup is then forced up through a crack or fissure or something in the Earth's crust and just kind of exists as this bubbling, muddy gunk. The formation of a lot of the underwater ones, specifically more the deep sea ones, are also involved with the clathrate hydrates that I've talked about before, which is kind of interesting. These mud volcanoes as a whole are very important in the methane cycle because the bubbling produced is mostly methane with a little bit of carbon dioxide as well, so it releases quite a bit of methane out into the atmosphere. The temperature can vary pretty drastically, and a lot of the cooler ones are actually used as a kind of spa destination in a mud bath. Because again, this mud is pretty warm and does have a lot of apparently very beneficial minerals and salts in them.